Let's take a look at student data to view growth. How can a teacher know that students are remembering concepts that were taught weeks or even months ago? Start by selecting Student Data from the middle gray column to view proficient skills and skill accuracy. Proficient skills is a quick way to view the percentage of skills that each student has leveled up to squares that are green, silver star, or gold star. A reminder that all squares start as white, indicating either the student has yet to practice the skill or has not practiced the skill enough to change the color. A red square indicates that the student is struggling on the skill. Changing the color to yellow signals initial understanding of a concept. This requires that the student answers a few problems correctly on the first try. Leveling up to yellow can happen on the first day students begin working on a skill. While seeing the color change to yellow is a good thing on day 1, or even on day 2, it does not indicate proficiency. Proficiency, that long-term retention, only happens over time. Students must answer accurately over 3 days to level up to green, 5 days for silver star, and 7 days to level up to gold star. So what distinguishes skill proficiency from skill accuracy in Get More Math? Skill accuracy is the percentage that the student answers correctly on the first try. This student shows 95% accuracy, but their proficient skills percentage is 0. Let's click on the 0% to see how that can happen. If I were only considering accuracy, this student looks like they understand the concepts. On the day of the lesson, the student is changing the colors of the squares to yellow for some skills. However, they are not continuing to answer problems accurately over time. You can see this student is not demonstrating proficiency by working to change those colors to green, silver, and gold. Let's take a look at another student. This student also has 95% skill accuracy, and their percentage of proficient skills is 89%, indicating they are building long-term retention on most concepts they've learned so far. When viewing the individual data for this student, it reveals that this student has changed most of the colors of the squares to green or better, showing accuracy over time and long-term retention. There are several ways a teacher can help students get their squares to green or better. Including spiral review points in each assignment will ensure students are continually practicing all of the skills the teacher has assigned throughout the year. It is also good practice to include the skills in the class's spiral review that mimic what students will see on end-of-year testing. Teachers can also remove building block or remedial skills at the end of units or marking periods. Another effective way to help your students achieve green or better is to target low proficiency skills and use Get More Math's unlimited, built-in guided practice problems to remediate for the whole class or small groups. When skills from Spiral Review are practiced often, teachers can be confident that students will be working on all skills on a regular basis, ensuring that they not only will remember the material the day it's taught, but they'll remember those skills weeks and months later.